Hi friends, in this video we are going to see how to install WordPress in Wampserver Localhost. First I am downloading WordPress from the website wordpress.org. Extract WordPress folder from WordPress zip file. Now open Wampserver. Assuming that you have already installed Wampserver. Go to the Wamp folder. Find www folder and inside this folder paste the WordPress folder. Next open any one browser and type localhost/WordPress and enter. First we have to fill details of database, then only we can run WordPress. It's your wish to set your desired name for database. But for database username we have to enter root, and for password we must leave it empty. Otherwise it will show error. I am going to fill the details of these fields later. Next we have to create database. In new tab type localhost and here click phpmyadmin and log in with root as username. Don't fill anything in password and log in. Now here click databases and enter the field with the name WordPress and click create. This is because we mentioned database name as WordPress in the WordPress setup. Return back to WordPress setup browser tab. As mentioned earlier, I am filling the details of these fields now. And click submit. Click run the installation. Next we have to fill the details for website. And you can set the username, password and all other fields according to your wish. Finally click install WordPress. To log into your website, you need to enter localhost/WordPress/wp-admin. And here you have to fill website username and password.